What's up, YouTube? I'm coming back with another video. Guys, I know you're excited for this one. This is a good one today. This is a banger. Cause look, I'm up $3,304. Another fantastic great green day. I'm telling you about these great green days, and this is one of them right here. So as you know, my last video I was sitting at around 21,000, I believe, and some change. You can go back to the video and see where I was at. But today I made some good money, and I'm proud of that, and I'm happy for that. But you know, one of the things I always say, I'm glad if you had a great green day, because I know certain people are having red days, and if you had a red day, I hope you were able to buy the dip, and if you weren't, I hope you sold out of your positions to buy something that is going up. And if you believe in those companies, make sure you hold them tight, because you never know when they're gonna go up. So let's get right into this video. Let's see, we dealing with Orbital Energy, Zomatica, Nano Dimensions, Emagin, BNGO, Sensonics, Aquametals, Gevo, Ocean Power Technologies, Energis, UAVS, Copen, DTIL, which is Precision Biosciences, which is a new stock I just added. And I have 50 shares at an average cost of $12.47. And let's look at LKCO Technology. And I've been talking about LKCO Technology for about my last 2 to 3 videos. And I've been telling you that it's a sleeper and a little bit about the company. So I'm really excited for that. So I do see this account hitting 25,000 plus. And before I go forward telling you anything else about this account, let's take a look, and I'm gonna go into detail what happened to this account. So far in pre-market, I was in LKCO Technologies. Initially, you can go back to the previous video where I had shares in LKCO, and it went up pre-market and I took profits. That's why my account is up, and I just want to clarify that. So as you can see, the shares of some of these companies will be different from last videos, because I added more shares from the profit I took from LKCO, and I actually used some of the profits to get back in LKCO Technology, because I believe it will surpass $3 again. I will be able to make a little bit like 300, 400, 500, or even more plus, depending on where it goes past 3. So I'm definitely looking forward for that. But LKCO Technology has been on my list for the last 2 to 3 videos, and I've been calling it out. So if you've been paying attention, or if you actually bought that, I'm pretty sure you made some money on that if you bought it last week or even recently. So it all depends where you bought the stock to. And I'm happy about most of the stocks I have. I'm very confident in them. I'm waiting for Nano Dimensions to do its thing, because when it does, it's just gonna be crazy, and it's gonna be a day to see, because Nano Dimensions, if it goes to like 18 or 19 or 20, it will make me some decent money, and I'm looking forward for that. And I'm looking to add more shares. If it continues to trade around $14 for a while, I will load the boat, because I know where it's going. It's gonna go to 20 and more, and it may not even come down from that point. So I just want to call that out, and I just want to detail my portfolio so far. And we're doing phenomenal, guys. I just want to let you guys know. I just want to say thank you all for watching these videos. I really appreciate that. And if you have questions or comments, leave them below. If you want to subscribe and be kept up on more recent videos, make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell. And I will be dropping more content soon. I will be continue making videos on the mobile phone, but I also will be on the computer talking about different companies, so we can all be making money, basically. So I just want to tell you what my upcoming plans is, and I did make a Discord. I will be dropping a link below, and you can just go there and we'll talk about different stocks. I really want to have a lot of people in there, just a decent amount of people, so we can make some money. So it's all about making money, having a great green day. So I'm overall satisfied with this account. I'm happy that we're doing phenomenal. We're having a great week so far. Let's look at the weekly chart. I'm up 25% since like last week, since like February 10th. And let's look at the month. Let's take a look at February 1st. So February 1st, this is kind of off, because I was trading at 13,950 years around this area. And so far, the count is at 24,000. So basically, I'm almost pretty much doubled the account and since like February. So that's actually a great accomplishment to have. Although I have a decent amount of capital, but if you can see that certain picks that I'm picking, they're actually making a lot of money, and we're doing good. So I just want to point that out. And then let's look at the 3-month. Look at this. This is crazy, guys. 21,797, 895%. And this is absolutely crazy, guys. So I just want to point that out, that we are making progress with only individual stocks. That's one thing. I have not yet to use options. And I will probably not, because I feel like, honestly, this is just my preference, because I feel like options are a little bit more riskier. You don't know when the market's going to take a turn. You can have everything planned up, and a chart can be looking perfect at one time, but you never know what news could make a stock just go down, and then you have expiration when you bought it. All those things can factor in, but if I did options, I would do a little bit like in the money, but long term, like 2021, 2022. So I won't get whacked in my face if something ever happens. I wouldn't get nothing like a weekly option unless I feel very, very confident, or I feel like some potential news could happen dependent on the stock. So I'm always paying attention to that. And I just want to make this video. Hopefully, guys, we will hit 25,000 or more. And I just want to say my goal initially for the month of February was $20,000. And I said, ultimately, I would love to see $25,000 or more. Ultimately, around $25,000 to $30,000. That would be very, very nice to see. But it looks as if we're going to crack over 25,000 for certain. And we're just going to see where it goes after that. So hopefully we have more green days. Hopefully we'll be able to see over 30,000 for this month. That would be very significant, because it's just only February and we're already at 30,000, starting from initially $500, and we actually built this account up and we're doing great. So I just want to show you my picks again, what I'm invested in, the stocks that I feel very confident in. I feel very confident in Lacan Technology. Hopefully they will rebound tomorrow. Pre-market will be up over $3, and we can just ride this up to $4 or $5. We'll see where this go, but I'm very confident that I'm able to put a little bit, like 10%. Last time I had 20% of my portfolio in this, but I put 10% of my portfolio in this because I feel like I can get a little bit more money and it will move my account. And the thing I noticed with a bigger account is when you have a whole bunch of shares and you have a lot of companies you invested in, stuff like that, your account can only move so much depending on how you set your account up. So you have a bigger account, you can have like 4 or 5 stocks, and they can move more than having an account with a lot of stocks. So it all depends on how you pick and strategize the way you invest. So I just want to say thank you, guys. I really appreciate you guys watching the videos, leaving the comments. And remember, I do have a Discord. I will be leaving a link in the description. And I just want to say thank you guys for watching. This is Robinhood Growth Trading, and I'm out. Thank you, guys.